Hi, this is from Sose University. There's a job opening for the technology, Oracle, and SQL Server DBA for the company version 1. The location is Bangalore, Karnataka. The responsibilities and experiences 3 plus years of experience in as SQL DBA, 1 year specialist as Oracle DBA. It's a SQL Server DBA role with very less experience in Oracle DBA is needed. IT or engineering degree is relevant qualification. Excellent analytical and problem solving ability is needed. The second technology is Microsoft SQL Server Database Administration with the Cloud Service Engineer. The company name is Accenture. The location is Bangalore. The management level of 9. Work experience need is 6 to 8 years. The work location is Bangalore. And the education qualification is BE or BTech or MCA is required, and 4 years of degree or PG in computers is required. The third technology is Principal Software Engineer and Oracle DBA for the company Oracle. The location is Bangalore. Minimum 8 years of experience of Oracle database administration experience on a large product environment is needed. Database handle-on skills, especially around the database and system troubleshooting and administration, is required. The fourth technology is Cassandra database administration for the company IT Mind. Its location is Bangalore. The experience need is 4 to 7 years. The location is Bhuwneshwar, Chennai, Pune, Kochi, and Bangalore is required. The fifth technology is database administration for the company Motorola Solution. The location is Bangalore. The job description is install and configure the admin database, including the not limited of Oracle DBA and MySQL and open source technologies like MySQL, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, etc. And hosted in AWS if required. The links will be given in the video description for these jobs. You can apply that directly. Please subscribe to the Source University channel for the more job details. Thank you.